Okay, this is Professor Rick Rome, and I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Excel. What I've got here is one already made. This is a comparison of Korea and the United States using Hofstede's cultural dimensions. I'm going to duplicate it over here just so you can see how I make it. So the first thing you want to do is make your table, whatever data that you're trying to portray in a graph. Fill the numbers in. For this case, I'm using the US, Korea, and an average for comparison along Hofstede's 6 cultural dimensions here. So once you have your table built, highlight the area that you want to graph and go up here to Insert, and you'll see this section on Charts. You can pick the type of chart that you want to use, or you could open this up and look in more detail at all the different charts that are there. What we're going to use is just a regular bar chart, and all you got to do is click it, and there it is. This chart, you'll notice, is a little bit different than the one I have on the left. You can change the format now. If you look under this charts layout section, you can hit the drop down menu again and see some different formats. Let's say you want no grid lines. It'll look like that, or maybe you want to have a lot of lines. Let's see, maybe this one. Or the one I like to use is this one that gives a table underneath with all the data. There's a couple things on here that I don't need. I don't need this axis title, so I can just delete that. The chart title you might want to change. Something along the lines of whatever you're trying to portray. If you don't like the font, you can go up here and change that like you would normally do in any type of document. Change the size. And then you have a chart, and it's pretty easy to do. You can take this chart now and copy it to another document. Let's say you want to put it in a Word document, and you can just paste it right in. You got a couple different options there. I'll use the paste as a picture so it keeps everything together. And I can resize it, of course. If I want to wrap text around it, I can do that too, so that the text is up here. If I don't like that, I can just turn that off and just write underneath it. You can do the same thing in PowerPoint and Word. It's pretty easy to do, to take a graph from Excel and copy it over. So that's it, pretty easy. Hopefully that'll help you when you're formatting and making your papers and presentations. Thanks.